Hello everyone, welcome to A1 Education and Motivation YouTube channel, guys. Today's topic is already you know about all over the world wide spreading the virus, that is coronavirus, guys. Coronavirus was all over the world spreading on many of the economic wealth countries, guys, like America, Italy. Some of the countries losing their people, losing their lives, guys. One of my country in India also very critical situation. The day by day increasing the people's corona positive peak situation, guys. Peak level it will be increasing day by day. In India, many of the states also losing their peoples, losing their lives. Behind many of the reasons behind it, guys. Some of the reasons already you know about. Some of the medical proper not getting proper treatment, proper medical facilities, bed facilities, oxygen facilities, ventilator facilities, and India is struggling with COVID-19, guys. The country has a shortage of COVID-19 vaccines, as a struggle with the lack of raw materials needed to manufacture the doses, guys. Yes, the we need to require vaccine emergency, guys. We need to require vaccines at a time to everyone. We need to require, guys, so that it requires lot of vaccines. Many lack of vaccines we need to require, so that we need to manufacture the manufacturing of process. It will be requires raw materials, very good raw materials it will require. So it is a delay in supply. It is also problem of supplying the raw materials. One of the problem, some of the medical facilities, some of the medical problems also occurring in India, like oxygen facilities, ventilator facilities, bed facilities, blood facilities. Some of the reasons to behind of this is people losing their lives, guys, losing their losing their lives also. And people also death case also increasing. Some of this one of the reason also, some of the people are losing their lives, death case also increasing. So that, guys, in India as being longing many of the one day maybe 3 lakh cases, not getting proper data, not getting proper data, proper information, not getting here, guys. So many of the state governments are doing good, but I appreciate it, but some of the state governments not getting proper data, proper exact data what the present cases also not getting. And also many of the in India state, many of the India, many of the states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, many of the states also losing their peoples and also increasing the positive cases. I took as example of in Karnataka, in Bangalore was a very peak level, day by day critical situation, dangerous situation occurring, guys. So that in Bangalore rural was very critical situation, guys. It will be the increasing the positive cases, the death cases also increasing, guys. Even not place to not many of the reasons to behind it of that, guys, in so that already you know that the main we need to require the corona patient, guys, corona patients oxygen ventilator bed facility. This is the most important to require. So this is a delay in oxygen, delay in the ventilators, delay in the bed facility. So behind of this negligency, people are also losing their lives. And some of the districts also very good to providing. I agree that some of the should be delay of that negligency of the government. I think negligency of the peoples, I don't need to mention here. Negligency of people, negligence of the government, so that people are also losing their lives. So that once again I'm telling that already you know all of telling that wear the mask. I am also suggesting you wear the mask, maintain the social distance, and also safety precautions you need to take the most important. You need to take safety precaution to stay home, stay safe. If there is a no, if there is a real necessary need, come out to buy a product. If not necessary, don't come. What the government should be providing the rules and regulations, we need to follow strictly on it, guys. So that guys, in Bangalore rural, 37,282 active cases, guys, the same as it is as some of the increasing also death cases. And one thing he said that we need to strong on it, and also increasing the discharge cases. So we need to strong be positive, and there is nothing is happens, guys. We need to strong be positive, strong with the fight with corona, bit be strong, be positive. So that discharging cases also increasing. Don't fear about coronavirus. Be wear the mask, and use the sanitizers, and also maintain social distance, and also create awareness to people, guys, to wear the mask and maintain social distance. So that, guys, so COVID increasing the day by day. It is second way also increasing the day by day. When the second wave was stopped means when we control ourselves, when we each and every individual to follow the what the government to providing the rules and regulations, and using the sanitizers and wearing the mask, maintaining the social distance. And one thing is, don't fear about corona. Don't fear but don't fear about corona means you need to be strong and take precautions. Don't come outside to take precautions. What the government to providing the rules and regulations, we need to strictly follow on that. Okay, friends. So the I think one suggestion I give you, when the I give an example for that COVID-19 after more severe people's 60 plus years, 60 years ago. I give an example, when corona patients having the if the corona patient having some other diseases like heart problems, lung problems, uh, diabetes. So it will be severe situation, it will occur. And it is serious situation if they are for corona patients having the both corona plus, it will happen. But don't worry about it, and be positive, strong should be faced with fight with corona. But wear the mask. I'm once again, there is no way to, guys. I'm once again I'm telling you, wear the mask, use sanitizers, and don't fear. Use sanitizers, maintain social distance, and also we need to control ourselves, guys. So share this video to you. I don't like to provide more information to this because of don't fear. One thing I've said you, don't fear, guys. Fight with corona. Be strong, be positive, be strong. So create awareness to your family, friends, family, and other your relatives, guys. So share this video to family, friends, members. If you not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, guys. Because those who are watching this video, please subscribe. Everyone must be subscribed, because when you subscribe, what I am providing good content for you, it will notification through it will come, guys. So please subscribe, guys. All of you, those who are watching, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, friends, stay home, stay safe, don't fear, be positive. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.